Good morning, sixth period. Just kidding, it's probably around 2 o'clock p.m. when you are watching this. My name is Michelle Morris, and today you are going to be looking at my sustainable house. All right, where the heck is it located? It is located in Catskill, New York. The climate is colder and wetter than the U.S. average, with 42 inches per year of rain and full range of 4 seasons, unlike here in Dublin. And the average humidity is 35%. Alright, so my house design is a southward facing house with a lot of sunlight because of the large modern windows that are going to be facing the southward direction as well. They are triple paned in order to keep the insulation and keep the house warm and nice, along with barn doors that'll be closed during the colder and darker days to also help with the insulation. In the back, there is a greenhouse attached as a sunroom. Ignore the deck, I planned differently originally, and it's built along the Catskill Creek, but not entirely on the creek. It's close enough, though. The entire house is 2,500 square feet, and the design shape is between an I and a U shape, and is two-story on one side to use less surface area on the ground in order to not disturb the nature around it. Alright, so the building materials that'll be used are maple, which is sustainable because of how local the lumber can be sourced, which is literally on the lot that I have acquired, so it definitely fits the local area. For insulation, we have sheep's wool insulation. Is not as local, still green, saves money, absorbs moisture without feeling wet, and is good at keeping the house cool in the summer, warm in the winter, and is more fire resistant than other insulations. Alright, so the household systems would include 2 computers, a dishwasher, a washing machine, an oven, a TV, a router, an AC, 5 lamps approximately, a microwave, and a water heater, which will all equal up to $562.33 per year. Not that bad. But for energy, I am using solar power. With 5.5 months of clear days is just enough to create that much energy. The house is built in a relatively open area by the river, so it's not going to be obstructed. The 2 solar panel systems with 1 power wall, all by Tesla, equal up to $15,300, but the net generated amount that I would be earning would be $1,100 to $1,400 per year. And how could I conserve all of this energy? Well, I could turn off the lights when they're not in use, and I don't leave computers plugged in. And energy from light fixtures will be naturally saved because the windows in the front of the house are going to bring in enough light. Alright, so water will be from either the Catskill Creek or the groundwater sources near my house. Usage for 5 people per year would be 109,500 gallons of water, which can be drastically reduced with the installation of low-flow appliances and Energy Star appliances. What do I do with the extra wastewater, however? Water the herbs and smaller plants in the greenhouse, and water some of the lawn, and even flush the toilets with the water. Alright, and now onto the greenhouse. The water is probably going to be around 43,800 gallons per year, since this greenhouse is 300 square feet to feed 5 people. The irrigation for the greenhouse will be drip irrigation. The irrigation for the rest of the landscape, however, will be rain, since I live in a very wet environment. The greenhouse allows for a completely pest-free environment and northern hardwood forest growing well-drained and fertile loam, which is perfect for growing food. Alright, that has been my presentation. Thank you for listening, and to make it look like I'm not a fraud, here are the credits.